The Flint water crisis, which took place between 2014 and 2015, is a perfect example of industry and the government failing its citizens.
In late 2015, I was sitting at my desk in this office and some woman in Michigan called. And she told me the story that she and her children were living at a homeless shelter and they were being poisoned by their water. I start doing my own research and I'm finding these blogs and chat rooms where people are really angry about their water in Flint.
The government of Michigan, the city, the state, they didn't do right by their citizens. But they also hired professional expert engineers to consult with along the way. And one of the things that we found out is that the quest for larger contracts and bigger contracts and longer term contracts makes companies do things that they shouldn't.
So I started going to Flint every week, and I started going to talk at every church in Flint, every school in Flint. We had a few town halls. I met with community leaders. And my entire goal, I remember, was I want to tell them all of the things that are true, that are different than all of the lies they were told that are false.
Scouring the documents, looking at the documents, we find drafts of reports that say you need to add the chemicals that are going to protect the water from leaching lead out of the pipes. Those notes don't make it into the final reports, and that's a crime.
What was 1,000 clients became 5,000 clients. Cases got filed in federal court as well as state court, and then they had to pick the first trial that would go forward, and it's our firm that's trying those cases. And that's on the heels of what I think is truly a historic settlement for a community like Flint and for the people of Flint.